Hey guys, welcome back. Haven't done a video on the MiniTruckin in a while. Still been working on that, still been going good. What I've been doing is replacing the brake lines. The old steel lines were pretty rotted out. Had some compression fittings, all kinds of stuff, some bad stuff people did in the past. But I want to just do a quick video about these spacers I'm using. Like you probably already know, these NICOP lines, they are much more bendable than steel lines, right? So you got to support them a little better all the way through. So I found these supports. I've been looking all over online to buy some, couldn't find what I liked, but lo and behold, I have a 3D printer. Let's figure this thing out. On this design on Thingiverse, this thing is awesome. I love it. I printed these in PLA Plus. Your brake lines just snap right into these slots. They have these little built-in springs right here. They grip the line and hold them in place. It also has this hole in the middle, so I could even take some small zip ties and wrap around to make sure that thing doesn't slide off sometime. I probably will do that on my install. I might do a separate install video on one of these. Here's what it looks like fresh when it's done. I got a little stringy on mine. Like I said, I use Eastern PLA Plus to print these out, but they are working awesome. I'll link to this design below for this designer. Awesome job, works perfect. Sometimes when you get things off Thingiverse, they don't work great, but this one, awesome. Anyway, just a quick video, guys. MiniTruck's still going. We'll see you next time.